Welcome to Know Your Hand Scoop Product and Equipment e-course. In this e-course, you will become familiar with the different hand scoop product types, as well as product and equipment handling. TCBY hand scoop product is received in 3-gallon tubs, and one tub yields approximately 88 green scoops. The types of hand scoop product are as follows: 96% fat-free and non-dairy sorbet. Hand scoop products can be stored on display in the dipping cabinet, underneath the displayed tubs, and in the walk-in freezer. Your walk-in freezer temperature must be set between -10 to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The dipping cabinet must be set between 0 and 5 degrees to achieve a perfect serving and scooping quality. Keep the inside temperature gauge at tub level visible to the team member but not the customer. Transfer hand scoop tubs from the freezer to the dipping cabinet and place them in the lower storage area to temper for at least 12 hours before serving. It is best to keep a chart of flavors that are tempering or place the same flavor under the displayed flavor. Never allow hand scoop product to be left outside the freezer or dipping cabinet to temper. Also, never allow the product to thaw and refreeze. This will cause a gritty product rather than a smooth, creamy texture. Certain hand scoop flavors are considered softer or harder due to their inclusions or ingredients. Soft products are to be placed in the corners of the dipping cabinet or coldest area. Harder to scoop products are to be placed in the center of the cabinet or the warmest area. The shelf life of an unopened hand scoop tub is 1 year from the date of manufacture. Always follow the use-by date on the tub label. The shelf life of an opened hand scoop tub is 30 days from the opening date. After opening a hand scoop tub, mark the 30-day use-by date on the tub label. Each night at close, use a sanitized cloth to clean the inside edges around the dipping cabinet. Loosen the wing nuts to remove the tub covers. Cover all tubs with a clean lid to prevent freezer burn. Next, remove the frost shields. Disassemble the dip well by turning off the water, removing the scoops and spade, rubber molding, drain tube, and divider for cleaning. When finished, use a sanitized towel to wipe the inside of the dip well. Wash, rinse, sanitize, and air dry all parts overnight. When cleaning the glass, plastic, and stainless steel outside the cabinet, spray cleaning solution onto the cloth rather than directly onto the surface. This ensures no cleaning solution will fall into the hand-scooped product. Always keep the dipping cabinet lids closed unless cleaning or scooping. At open, install the frost shields first, and then remove the tub lids and install the tub covers and wing nuts. Assemble the dip well by inserting the divider, drain tube with the wide end down, and rubber molding. Next, add the scoops and spade. Turn on the water once it is flowing into the drain tube. Turn the water down, but ensure that it is still producing air bubbles. This will keep the scoops clean and aid in scooping. Next, close the cabinet lids and turn the cabinet light on to brighten the customer's view of the product. The spade is used to keep product level in the tubs. Scrape the hand-scooped product from the edges of the tubs and press it into the middle. This will keep the tub looking clean and will prevent a gummy texture in the product. The only scoops used in a TCBY store are the green scoops. When scooping, lightly move the edge of the scoop across the surface of the product. Use a combination of the C or S method of scooping. The C method is the action of scooping around the side of the tub like the letter C. The C scoop can also be reversed to help keep the product level. The S method moves the scoop in an S pattern to also keep the product level. Do not dig or burrow the scoops to prevent the product from drying out. To replace inventory, remove tubs from the display area when there is approximately 3 inches of product left. Cover with a lid and place it in the lower area of the dipping cabinet. Place a new tub of the same flavor from the storage area into the display area. When 3 inches of the product is used from the new tub, place the additional 3 inches of product on top and lightly pack down the product with a spade. Do not place the last 3 inches of product from one tub on top of a brand new tub. This is called dogpiling, which makes the product difficult to scoop and the customer thinks the product is old. Product containing nuts must be stored closest to the team member to prevent cross-contamination of nuts into a non-nut flavor. Also, remove any accidental drops from one flavor into another. This is another form of cross-contamination. Defrost and clean the dipping cabinet every 2 weeks or sooner if the ice becomes 1/4 inch thick. At close, loosen the wing nuts to remove the tub covers. Remove all tubs from the dipping cabinet and cover with lids before storing in the freezer. Remove shelving and leave dipping cabinet lids open. Turn the compressor switch to the off position and be sure to leave the temperature setting as is. Wash, rinse, sanitize, and air dry all parts overnight. For proper water drainage, as the cabinet is defrosting, the legs of the dipping cabinet must be higher at the opposite end of the drain. Monthly, after defrosting, clean compressor coils and air vents. Use sanitizer and a clean cloth to wipe the cabinet clean, then dry completely. Turn the compressor switch to the on position. The temperature setting should not need adjusting. Place the hand scoop tubs in the cabinet storage and display area. Then remove the display lids and replace the tub covers and wing nuts. Install frost shields and tighten if needed. In approximately an hour, the cabinet should reach the standard temperature of 0 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, close the cabinet lids and turn the cabinet light on to brighten the customer's view of the product. This concludes the Know Your Hand-Scooped Product and Equipment e-course. To complete this e-course, you will need to click on the Continue button to take the quiz and pass with a 90% or better to be certified.